Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on this makeup look I got going on right here. I posted a picture the other day on my Instagram of this look and asked you guys if you wanted a tutorial, and majority of you said yes, so here I am. This is my first makeup YouTube makeup tutorial. So I'm really excited about it. And again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, there should be a little button right about here. And it's super easy to just click and hit subscribe. But it's your life, I'm not gonna tell you what to do, so do you. So if you wanna know how I got this makeup look, just keep watching. I'm gonna get started probably like now. Alright guys, so I'm going to start with this Master Conceal Concealer by Maybelline and put that on my eyelids. I typically like using concealer rather than an eye primer. That's just preference. I like it better. Then I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette and start with this first transition shade. Typically when I do a smoky eye or work with warm, deep red tones or browns, I like to use transition shades to make everything blend nicely. So this is the second shade here, and I'm working only in the crease area. I'm not going above the crease at all. This is the third shade right here, going all over the lid and into the crease area. Then I'm going to go in with that fun coppery red orange shade and put that over the top of the transition shades that I just did, working into that crease and making sure everything's blended nicely. Then I'm going to go in with this fun yellowy orange shade and go over the top of my crease, going a little higher this time just to make that transition really, really pretty. Then I'm going to go in with that deep copper red and work only on the outer corner of my eye and into the crease. I'm not going in the middle. I'm really just focusing on that outer corner. Then I'm going to go in with a third transition shade again and just blend everything else out nicely so there's no lines or anything. Then I'm going to take MAC Fix Plus and spritz that on my brush and put this really pretty gold shimmery shade on the inner corner in the middle of my eye, not taking it any further than the middle of my eye. Then I'm going to go in with just a brush with no product on it and make sure everything's blended nicely. Then I'm taking my e.l.f. translucent powder and just cleaning up any sloppiness that I made. So now I'm taking the Wet n Wild H2O proof eyeliner and I'm going to create a wing. I definitely said a prayer before I did this because I was so nervous I was going to mess up. So I'm going to create that wing now, and a little tip that helps me is when I create that wing, I kind of draw it at an angle towards the end of my brow. That's kind of a good starting point to figure out where to draw that wing. And then I finish it off here by kind of filling it in and then dragging it along. Alright, now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Primer, and I'm going to prime my whole face, and then go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Foundation, and I'm going to use my Morphe M439 foundation brush to blend that all in all over my face, and I will be linking every brush that I used and what I used it for in the description box. Then I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and conceal my under eye. I also like to put it on my forehead, on my chin, and on my upper lip just to give my face a little bit more dimension. You definitely don't have to do this, and I know I look crazy, but that's just what I do. I'm going to blend that all in with a damp beauty blender and really getting up under that wing to make it look sharp. Then I'm going to set my under eye with the e.l.f. translucent powder. Then I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and Lord help these brows. I'm in the process of growing them out right now, so they're just a hot mess. So this Brow Wiz is a miracle worker. So I'm going to go ahead and just outline my brows, the bottom and the top, and then fill it in to then kind of make that arch. You can see those little baby hairs trying to grow in to make that arch. So I'm going to kind of just draw out the shape that I want and make it work, you know? Then I'm going to go ahead and spoolie everything out just to make it a little bit more natural looking, if you know what I mean. Now I'm going to go in with the MAC bronzer in the shade Matte Bronze and bronze my cheeks, forehead, and my jawline. Then I'm going to go in with blush, and I'm using the Tarte blush in the shade Paaarty, and I'm going to put that on the apples of my cheeks. Then I'm going to go in with that third transition eyeshadow color and just smoke out the bottom of my eye, and then I'm going to go into this Marc Jacobs eyeliner just on the outer corner. Then I'm going to highlight my brow and curled in lashes and use the e.l.f. mascara. Now I'm going to highlight, and I'm using my favorite highlight ever, and that is the BECCA Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop, and I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, nose, and upper lip. So this is Mary Jo K, sorry, Kylie liquid lipstick that I used in my Instagram photo, but today I just wasn't really feeling it. I kind of wanted to use more of like a monochromatic look, so I wanted to use a shade that kind of matched my eyeshadow. So I'm using Koko K liquid lipstick by Kylie Cosmetics. Alright guys, so that completes this look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!